Well, a major breaking development in the ongoing investigation of alleged bid rigging within Harris County. And those were actions which triggered the criminal indictment of Judge Lina Hidalgo's former chief of staff and two other members of her inner circle.
Fox 26's Greg Groogan broke that story wide open back in 2021 and has now confirmed additional search warrants have been granted in this case at the request of Texas Rangers. So, Greg, what are the Texas Rangers looking for right now?
Yeah, Caroline and Anthony. As we first reported, this investigation centers on an $11 million COVID communication contract awarded to Elevate Strategies, a little-known one-woman firm with few, if any, resources. Now, our investigation determined that Elevate was ultimately awarded the contract, even though the University of Texas Health Science Center received a substantially higher score from the selection committee and submitted a bid that was millions of dollars less. Those initial questions triggered a criminal probe by the Texas Rangers and resulted in the criminal indictment of Hidalgo senior staffers Alex Triantafilus, Wallace Nader, and Aaron Dunn on felony charges of tampering with official records and misuse of official information. Fast forward 18 months and the granting of 5 new search warrants, all seeking additional electronic records, including encrypted communications between the defendants delivered via WhatsApp. Now, in his affidavit, Texas Ranger Darren Parker says there is probable cause to believe that the defendants and potentially Judge Hidalgo's legal counsel, Catherine Case, knowing a criminal investigation and official grand jury proceeding was pending, purposely concealed messages to prevent them from being available. If that can be proven, Fox 26 is told additional criminal charges are likely. So how do the Rangers know messages are missing or being erased? Well, it appears they have all the communications from Felicity Perea, owner of Elevate Strategies, who has never been charged in the case. What's also important here is that each of these search warrants was served on the communications companies, including Verizon, AT&T, Google, and WhatsApp. Now, we asked Fox 26 legal analyst Chris Tritico to review the warrants and offer his take.
They're clearly ratcheting this up and looking at whether Lina Hidalgo was actively participating in the destruction of evidence. And the affidavits clearly point the finger right at Lina in whether or not she directed her employees to destroy evidence that were on these phones that they subpoenaed.
Now, Judge Hidalgo has consistently claimed that neither she nor her staff broke the law, blaming the investigation and prosecution on a political vendetta. I do also have to report that Judge Hidalgo has publicly denied conducting county business on encrypted apps, a claim which may prove problematic at best. Now, I want to show you something, guys. These are the 5 search warrants. They're chocked full of information, lots of nuggets. We'll be digging into them and reporting more on this for sure later tonight.
Wow. Well, Greg Groogan, thanks so much for all of that work you put into this. And we know you've owned this story since the beginning, so thank you. Well.